Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can add or edit relationship on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. Then after, go to your profile. Scroll below in your profile and go to edit public details. Then after, you will find this edit option on the right side of details. Tap on edit. As you scroll below, you will find the relationship section. In order to add or edit the relationship status, tap on this pen-like icon in the relationship section. Now you can select your relationship status by tapping on the drop-down menu. There are various options. You can select one according to your status. Let's select in a relationship. You can either save it like this or add other details such as tag your partner and mention the date of your relationship. In order to write the name of your partner, tap on this partner section, then select your partner's Facebook profile. When you have filled in all the details, tap on save. You can also share this in your profile as an event if you wish to. Now that I have edited the relationship, it shows in a relationship under my relationship section. So in this way you can add or edit relationship status on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.